just wanted to tell you, my friend Antoinette, she got me hooked on Instagram, and this is how I know when things are coming out. Before even Wet and Wild will announce something, people sometimes find it in the stores. The kits at Walmart, the Zodiac collection that has the mirror in it. I said I'll get it if it goes down to at least half price, and it did. And we're busy getting the house ready for my brother to come, and so I didn't want to go out. I needed my energy for cleaning as best I could. I asked my husband, if you see it at Walmart, can you pick it up? He's like, no, I'm gonna pick the wrong one. It's like I really didn't care which one I got. I just wanted the mirror. I'm a diehard Wet and Wild fan. The only thing I won't do is buy a whole set of something just to get, like, I would love the fantasy maker pins and the bags. I would love that, but I'm not going to go out of my way to spend all that money again. I've just been spending way too much money. I just finished getting out of debt, and they had all of these more holiday sales, and I'm back into debt again. So he's like, I'm not going to do it. I said, fine. And then I'm looking on Instagram that morning just to see what's out, and it went down to $5 at Walmart. So that's where I went yesterday. We went to go see Bumblebee, and it's near one of the bigger Walmarts, one of the better Walmarts, and so I found it. And I took pictures of it. I put it away already, but all I really wanted was the mirror, and the mirror was really cheap. It looks like it's something you get at the dollar store. So at $5, it wouldn't have even been worth the $5. So I'm glad I didn't pay the 10. I got it for $5. But I'm happy because I got it, and I can always give the other thing as a gift, but just let them know the mirror is not included. Then the other thing I found out about was they already put out some sort of collection. I don't know if it's the spring collection. It was exclusive so far. It was exclusive to CVS. The big 24-hour CVS. It's not near my home, but it's not that far. They had out the whole collection, and I'm so happy because I only got one or two things because we were already at the end of the month. And so I only got like the eyeshadows. That's all if the whole set got sold out, I just wanted the eyeshadows. So I just got the eyeshadows, and my husband got paid the next day. Got paid a couple days early before New Year's, so I went and got the rest of what I want. I think I only didn't get two things out of the collection, but it is like a workout theme collection. It's really not really sure, but it doesn't have a name because what CVS had like three slots, three displays on an end cap, and it didn't have a set name. So, but it was like workout themed, like makeup locked, a makeup locker. So I thought this was powder. I was really happy. I was like, I like loose powder sometimes. So, when you work out, I wouldn't wear foundation. I would wear like a powder foundation, or it's liquid foundation. And then you can pull off the top. Let me see. Oh, okay, how did I do this? Oh, here you go. And then it has concealer and highlighter. The weird thing is the concealer's darker than the foundation. I'm like, what the heck? I got a lighter foundation because I wanted the lighter concealer, but concealer was actually darker. But so I picked up that, and again, it's like a workout theme, like it's supposed to stay on and not sweat off, which here in Texas is necessary. So these are the eyeshadows. What I like about this is that this has your your cover for red skin, or see, I use that with concealer sometimes. And then let me open one of them up. This was called Full Circuit. So I'm really, oh shoot, I haven't even opened these yet because I got it we were cleaning. I had one day of rest I had appointments last week. I had like 1 day of rest, and then New Year's and New Year's Eve and all of that. So it comes with like coverall concealer. It comes with 2 lip colors. It has 3 eyeshadows in Star, and then it's got like a highlighter, bronzer, and a blush. So I mean, I like these because they're light, and you know I don't look good in a bronzer per se unless it's like a very very light bronzer, and so yeah, this one is like warm and one it's cool. Let me see if I can find if it has a name here. All right, so this one's called Warm Up. In the back, it has directions and stuff, and then this one is called Cool Down. And so this one, I like this one. I like the shadows in that one better, but this one has pink colors here, so that's what I prefer. These shadows are a little bit dark, but you know the nicest color is this one because it's like a burgundy. But this, like, you couldn't use this as a highlighter. It's too dark. Let me see if I can get it open. This one was easier to open. I hope nobody touched this one. They only had like 4 to a display. So see, like that color, just like that's too dark for a highlighter. But this burgundy color is nice, and that's good for a contour. See, this one's on more pink, and it has a little bit of a darker of a bronzer. I would probably use that as a contour. You know, the 2 lippies, and again the correcting concealers. So if I didn't get anything else, I would have been happy with that. But I really, like I said, I was so happy my husband got paid, so I was able to get this the next day. Plus, I had coupons, so that helps when you're part of the CVS Beauty Club. These are also shadows, stick shadows, and they're like waterproof. And I tested it on my hand, and it like didn't come off. I had to scrub it off. It was on for like 2 days, and I had to scrub it off. The lighter colors, I think, came out easier. And so the colors, it's got a like a mauve with gold, so I guess that's your rose gold. It's very pretty. And then it has your basic like charcoal or black, and then of course purple. I picked this one up too before, just in case they sold out. I think they said it's going to be on the website eventually. I'm not sure again if this is their spring collection. I don't know what it is, but it's like, again, workout theme, and this one says keep going, so they're waterproof. And I did swatch them on my hand. Close that, and these did come sealed. I had a hard time taking off the seal. And then here you have their warmer colors, so it's like a goldish, a copperish, and a bronzy, or well, yeah, like a beige. You know, this is like a maybe a coppery brown. This is like a bronzy brown, and you have like a beigey color. And again, I took swatches of these. I wasn't able to do anything more because I was busy. I'm really pissed because I found out that school starts a week early, and I had appointments set up for 3 days next week. They tried to get me to come again for another appointment. I'm like, no, I need some day off before school starts. That pisses me off. And then it comes with an oil, like when your face gets oily. Now, I had this before, I think one from Avon and one from AK, and they just take off my makeup. So, I don't know if this is going to be better, but see what happens with that. And then the last thing in the collection. Now, these come, you have to buy the snap-ons. This is called Partner Up. I saved the tops because the tops were pretty. I didn't want to get rid of them, but the only thing that scares me about this is that 2 of these have a cooling thing in them, and those dry out. I ran out of a blemish cream. I have like one that's very liquidy that takes longer to work. So I did not get 2 of these, but I got 6 of the different things that they had. They snap on and off. And they do have a cover to help them not dry out. So this is the blemish stick, and then this is a primer stick. I don't like these heavy primer sticks, but I like putting them under my eyes. It helps to get the fine lines to come out. Um, then what's this one? All right, it comes with a lip balm, which is very, very sheer. It doesn't really put any color. And a blush, which is very, very light. I mean, I tried getting the darkest one they had. So, I don't know. It was really hard. They just all were so light. I couldn't find one. I should have read underneath, but I couldn't even find like a pinkish one. I don't know. Maybe they had one and I couldn't tell. So see, this is a cooling moisturizer stick. And I've had stuff like this, and they really do make your skin feel nice and cold. I don't know what they put in it, so I guess this is for, because you're working out, you're hot, you're sweaty. But again, it has like a little inside cover to help it, because stuff like this will dry out so fast. And this is a toning stick. I love toners. So I don't know. A lot of people, they don't sell toners anymore. They do have the refresher sprays now, but I love toning my skin before I put on the moisturizer. It just feels so good. So this is a toning stick. So I'm going to assume that these two might dry out quickly. But I don't have a readily available, like a cream for I had a horrible, like little cystic thing there because there was no pus in it. And I used an old liquid, like it says overnight treatment for pimples. It took me like a month. My Mary Kay one, overnight, they're gone. But this Avon one took like a whole month for it to work. So let's see if this does better. I mean, I am in menopause. I stopped getting pimples at 50, went into menopause, I think, 52, before I even turned 53, and I do get pimples from time to time. So, especially since I'm always putting moisturizer under my eyes, so that gets into my nose. My nose, my chin, my forehead is still oily. So, I used the bag that I got from Australia, and I just put everything in there. And I haven't done any swatches because I didn't have time. So when I can get those, I can show you them. The tops were so cool. I didn't want to throw them out. I put them in a mermaid bag I found at Five Below. But all the tops are had different colors. They have little stars, pink, like a unicorn kind of, like pink to lavender. And they each had a different label. They had white for the lip and cheeks. And then they had, let's see. They had like an indigo blue, a lavender, a pink label top, and a sky blue top. And I just loved it so much I didn't want to throw it out. It was so pretty. So I have, bags. So yeah, so these are the collections. I left the foundation out because most likely I'll probably be using that more quickly. And I never talked about this, but I think this is a Walmart exclusive and a website exclusive. I had you know how much you have to shake this up? See, it has a thing, don't worry, shake well. All the color sets to the bottom. Even if you put it upside down, the color will set to the bottom, and then all you've got is like a liquid here, and you gotta shake and shake and shake and shake. And still, after you've shaken it, this body illuminizer, you can still see the bulk of it is all the way here, and it's more like liquidy on top. So it's a pain. I haven't tried it yet. It's still sealed and anything, but I found that at Walmart as well, and I can't remember what I paid for it. I don't know, but I think it's the same price as the website. Not like CVS. They're horrible. I was looking for the Physicians Formula coconut eye makeup remover, and they said they weren't gonna have it, and I found one like thrown somewhere else. I just caught my eye. I was looking around. I didn't see it anywhere. I don't even know if it's been open. I'm kind of a little freaked out because there was no seal on it. But those are like, think $5.99 at the Physicians Formula website, and they sell it for like $8.49. I know the CVS raises all the prices. That pisses me off. And then they don't let you use your coupons the way they used to. You're allowed to use like two coupons together if one is your points and then one is like a coupon from a sale or the coupon of the week. And so a few times I got like really good coupons and I went to go get it, and I'm thinking all I should pay for this is $1 or $2. But now when you combine the two, they will take off your points first, and so you'll get the discount for the lesser amount, and instead of paying one or two, you're paying three or four. So it pisses me off. That happened twice. They did it to me twice. I'm like, and then plus twice I saw that they raised the prices more than the website, and I'm like, so CVS has really been sucking, man, the way that they do things. And I didn't find that at anywhere. I checked Walgreens, HEB, Walmart, and we even stopped by Target. I only have it at CVS right now.